is not coming this time, okay?
Why? And
You have to wait for us at home, okay?
Okay.
Then we'll be having 2 little princesses and 1 lucky dog.
And don't forget for my princess, my love.
You're smooth, darling. Very smooth.
For picnics. Drinks and food, yeah?
Yay, drinks!
Then you'll be turning them into little food monsters even before the day starts.
Food is very essential for picnics. Don't forget that.
It feels good doing this with you again, honey.
I know.
We've been busy lately.
Yeah.
Can I buy me something? Okay.
Carry, don't go picnic. You don't carry me go picnic. God. Well, I make a day for us, wait for them. You go bring something for me. Something from picnic.
We cannot question God.
I was the driver. I was supposed to protect them. I was supposed to protect them. Jay was smiling. Dora was singing. I was supposed to protect them.
Uncle Ramsey, you need to be strong.
You have me. You have Cassandra. We are here for you anytime.
How do you expect me to heal from this? How? That we're buried with my soul. How do I heal from this? How do I heal? God, why? God, why? Take me. Take me too. Take me.
No, don't say that, please, brother. Please, don't say that.
Cassandra, how has it been?
It's been good.
And your uncle, how is he coping since he lost your auntie, the wife and the daughter?
My uncle is not feeling fine. He has been crying.
I know. It's not easy to lose the ones you love, especially wife, daughter, the same day. Ransom. Anyway, you people will go back soon. I know if people go back, everything will normal. But see, let me tell you, if you people go back, try to be a good girl. You know, now that the child is no more, try to be normal. Eh?
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable, that you go insane. You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is journey of life for you. Sometimes it's bad, and sometimes it's good. But the memories keep coming, day by day. And it's so hard to let it go. Oh, they're beyond our powers. Ooh.
Get the ball from the book.
I was hoping Jane and Nora would come through that door, welcome me back home. It's not happening. It's going to be a sad world. A very lonely world.
We're here for you, Ramsey. Let's just go inside, please.
You are my strong girl. My angel. My light. You're stronger than death. Why did you have to go? Why? You're strong. Jane, I could still hear your voice echoing in this room. Your laughter. God. I could hear our little angel's footsteps. Why did you have to go? Why? 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 How do I leave with this?
Sit down, please.
I'm not hungry.
Come on, Ramsey. You've probably eaten anything since you came back.
Uncle, I'm going to write a new family song, like your mother looking at me.
Thank you so much, my angel. You'll always be my tiny little heart.
Cassandra, please stay with him. I'll go cover his food.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable, that you go insane. You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is journey of life for you.
Jane? Dera? I know you two are watching me from heaven. I'm trying so hard to leave. But how do I? You two were my life, my shadows, my everything. How do I live life without you?
Uncle Ramsey, stop crying. You'll be fine.
I'm trying. I'm trying so hard to be fine. I'm trying.
Come, let's go inside. You do nothing here. Do you have to go?
Yes, I have to go. I have to go to work before I'll get fired. I've not been to work for 3 days and that's risk.
I miss you.
I'll miss you too. Just take care of yourself and my brother. Where is he even?
I don't know. He was here earlier. Maybe he's upstairs. Let me go check.
It feels so lonely without you guys. Sometimes I just want to end it all. Sometimes I try so hard to be strong. You know, I wonder how this beautiful life could turn sour overnight. I know you want me to make it. I know you guys watch over me from heaven, but I cannot take this. This is so hard. This is so hard. Please, make this easy for me. Show me a sign. Show me a sign that everything is going to be alright. Show me a sign. Life has become so worthless.
Please, let's go inside. Get up from the sun. Please, Ramsey, please.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable, that you go insane. You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is journey of life for you. Sometimes it's bad, and sometimes it's good. But the memories keep coming.
Please be strong. I don't like to see you like this.
I don't even know how I'll leave you to take care of yourself. Or even Cassandra. I should stay, but you know how hard it was for me to get this job. I can't risk it, Ramsey. Please try to be strong at least. You need to take care of yourself. I promise to be back. After some days, I will make sure to come back here. Cassandra, I'll come back, okay?
Auntie, please don't go.
I'll be back. I'll make sure to tell her if I come back. Take care of yourself. I'll be back. He asks for water. Okay, water. I do. Come back.
No! No!
You have to drive fast so people...
No, Nora, no. No. It's not my fault. 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 Jane, Nora, it's not my fault. I'm sorry.
Okay, what happened?
It's not my fault. Tell Nora it's not my fault. Please help me tell her it's not my fault.
Okay, why you do like person where wrong mad?
No, I told them. No, Jane.
I mean a madness.
Nora, wait, I'm sorry. Nora, wait, I'm sorry. Wait, I'm sorry.
Your phone is ringing. Someone is calling you.
What did you do?
Someone is calling you.
did you have to go? Why did you all have to leave me?
Uncle Ramsey.
Why?
Honey, your phone's been ringing forever. Sorry.
You just have to take care of this house. Oh, Mr. Mark. Oh, yes, Mr. Mark, I'm so sorry I missed your call. Oh, it's fine. I'll be there tomorrow. I promise. I will. Yes, I will. All right, thank you. I'm just trying to fix this.
Maybe you've been here all evening. I'm jealous. They are taking your attention from me.
Is it?
Yes, no. You've been here all evening.
Alright, maybe I have to give this a break. Alright? Are you good?
My man.
Alright. I'll give you all my attention.
Uncle Ramsey, what is it?
Why did you have to go? Stronger than this. What? Daddy! Nora! 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 Nora, where are you? I can hear a voice. Come play with your daddy. Nora! 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 Yes. Nora. Nora, where are you?
It's something you can't escape.
Dera!
Something is happening to Uncle.
How?
He's breaking things inside the house. I don't know what is wrong with him. I think that thing that happens to him has started it.
Any young about them. Come on, we go.
But the words of it all is losing
Come on, play with your daddy now. Where are you? Nora! Nora! Nora, my love. Nora, where are you? Nora!
Sometimes it's bad.
Nora, where are you?
And sometimes it's good.
Where's Nora?
But the memories keep coming.
Where's Nora?
Day by day.
Where's Nora? Have you seen Nora? I'm looking for Nora. I'm looking for Nora. Why are you holding me like this? I'm looking for Nora. Nora! Nora!
It's so painful.
Nora! Nora!
Uncle Ramsey.
Have you seen Nora?
The memories keep
Where is Nora now?
Ramsey, where are you going?
I'm looking for Nora. Nora. Where is Nora?
Uncle Ramsey.
Where's Nora? I'm looking for Nora. Have you seen Nora? Where's Nora? Nora! Nora! Nora, where are you? Nora, please come and play with Daddy now, please.
If I get busy now, I will not remember.
Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you.
I'll call later.
Pain is something unbearable. Now you go insane. You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is turning off life for you. You. Sometimes it's bad, and sometimes it's good. But the memories keep coming day by day, and it's so hard to let it go. Oh, they're beyond our
I'm supposed to call person. If I call person now, we go there too shameful. Oh God, don't marry again. Make a call person. Make a call up anime. Oh God, don't marry again. Akpanime, big call now. Akpanime. Akpanima, I know they happy. I beg, I won't ask you question. I beg. If person they mad, waiting then go know the person. Can go? No, now, my God is too strong. I don't think I am go hospital. I beg. I don't even understand what they talk. What I go do now? God, speak to me. Speak to thy servant. Speak to my servant. Speak to thy servant. Okay. Make I die am again. Oh, no. My first experience with Oga was not friendly at all. Oga will break my teeth this time around. I could make a good try am. Oh, I even keep the rope safe. I keep the rope. I keep the rope. God, cover myself with the blood of Jesus.
Alright.
God, give me the spirit of David to defeat this Goliath.
Alright.
Angels in charge of madness. Angels.
Alright. You ought to do that. Nora. Alright, just look please. Alright, please come and sing the new song. Nora, are you here? Come and sing the new song. Daddy miss you. Nora. Yes. Nora.
Jesus. Thank you,
Jesus.
Jesus.
Nora.
Jesus.
Nora. No.
Cassandra, how are you?
I'm fine.
Why did you pick up your uncle's call? Where is he?
Auntie Dera, do you know what is wrong with Uncle? Uncle is behaving strange. He has been breaking things in the house and I'm scared. Please come back home. As I'm talking to you now, Uncle, don't tide you.
Wait, calm down. Oh, okay. I'm coming, okay? I'm coming. I'll be there now. How do I do? I need to go to the city. It's late.
Cassandra. Cassie.
Okay, I'll wait.
What do you mean I'm awake? Who tied me up? Like, what kind of joke is this?
You're fine now. Okay, you're fine.
What do you mean I'm fine? Who tied me up like this?
Cassandra, wetin happen? Why you dey run like this? Oga madness don enter another level.
No, Uncle Dan. Uncle Ramsey is fine now. He's talking normal. Come and untie him.
Which kind talk be that? Cassandra, see make I tell you. Oga no fit talk normal. Anything wey Oga dey talk, no be Oga dey talk. Now the spirit of the madness that is talking. So go inside.
I'm sure of what I'm saying. Come and see for yourself.
Cassandra, you sure for this thing where you dey talk? Because I don't want something where I go come inside, Oga go come DM you.
I'm sure. Come and untie him.
Okay, go ahead, come.
Come.
Go ahead, come.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad, or the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable. Now you go inside, you can't hold yourself.
Can you sure say you dey okay?
What do you mean by that?
Hi, that is a word of a madman. Hi! Mad people, they use question, answer question. Oga is still mad.
What? Dan, are you saying that I'm mad?
Hey! Na so them they talk. Na so mad people they talk. Oga, you dey mad. Oga, you been there breaking. They do everything. Now Cassandra come call me. I come say, oh, instead of you to break my head and the head of Cassandra, make I tie you. Because this is the only solution.
Are you out of your senses? Dan.
Oga?
I said untie me now.
Okay, Oga, one more thing. If you dey sure say you know they mad again, Oga spell chlorophenicol without mistake.
Are you talking to me like that? Dan, I said untie this thing now.
Let's Oga, thank you. Oh, God, thank you. Finally, I don't defeat Koloyar of madness. Sorry, Oga, you are not mad. Oh, God, thank you. God, thank you. God, thank you. But it's also room. But also sa puya kaya kami Indian dok. Okay, congratulations, okay. Okay, congratulations. Okay. Sorry.
Is he mad?
Who is that now? You want to break down this gate? Calm down now. As I talk, you see the check the gate.
Why did it take you forever to open the gate?
Sorry, Madam Dera, you didn't even tell me saying are you now. See, your car don't wake up.
Huh? What did he say?
Can't have a panic. Your car don't wake.
He's awake?
Yes. Oh God, you said in your word that the affliction shall not rise again. John 3:16. Oh God, make the affliction of my car not rise again. Hey.
Cassandra! Cassandra!
Auntie Dera. How are you? Sorry.
How are you?
Fine.
How is my brother?
He's good now. He's fine.
Oh, so he's calmed down.
Yes.
Oh, thank God. I need to go to him. I need to.
Don't disturb him. Your phone is not breaking.
No, I won't disturb him. I won't make it. I just want to see him and see that he's fine. Okay? Don't make it.
Don't disturb him. He will wake up out. Don't go.
I won't. I just want to take a closer look. What in the world happened to him?
Just leave him alone. Why? Don't come. I will tell you later. Come, let's go. Leave him alone.
Cassie, you were telling me that my brother went crazy.
Yes, Auntie Dera. That's what I thought. Until he slept and woke up a changed person. I'm scared.
I'm sorry. You had to see that. You're just a child. You shouldn't have to pass through this phase with him. I'm sorry, okay? Are you okay?
Yes, come in. Hey,
You're awake.
when did you come?
A couple hours ago. I'm glad you're fine now.
Yes,
I cooked. Come downstairs and eat, then we can talk.
I'm not hungry. If you want to talk, let's talk.
You can't say that to me. You've barely eaten. Please. Come, I won't hear it.
I said I'm not hungry. Do you understand? I'm not hungry.
You need to be a man. All of this is affecting you now. You need to be strong.
Be a man. And how? do you expect me to be a man when I'm just a shadow of myself? How? I'm not hungry.
I booked a doctor's appointment for you. You need to see a therapist for your mental health.
A therapist? I don't need a therapist.
Of course you do! You're gradually fading away, Ramsey. No, I can't watch this happen to you. You will see the therapist, but first of all, come downstairs and eat.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. Oh. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable, that you go insane. You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is journey of life for you. Sometimes it's bad, and sometimes it's good.
That's where Jane
But
lost
the
the
memories
seat.
keep coming, day by day.
Looking all beautiful.
And it's so hard to let it go. Oh, they're beyond our
Nora
powers. Ooh.
lost the seat next to me.
Ramsey, can you stop? Please. You need to think about yourself. You need to eat. You need to be strong. Just stop all of this now. Please eat. Please. Eat your food. It's getting cold.
Emotionally down. The memories keep coming day by day. And I wish things never happened this way.
Darling, I'm super proud of you. I'm super proud of you. I know that definitely next thing will come out now.
My darling, how are you?
I love you. You're welcome.
What? Oh my God.
Like seriously?
Are you serious about this?
Yes.
I'm so proud of you, my baby. I'm so proud of you.
Yes.
Of course I will. Come and sit down.
Oh. Daughter, someone forgets me.
Tell me, where do you want us to go? What kind of vacation is that?
Village vacation.
Don't tell me your mom told you this.
No.
Huh? Don't worry, get ready. We'll go to America. Okay? You like that?
Oh, thank you, darling. I'm proud of you.
Why would you tell her to choose the
I
village?
was not the one that told her. I don't know what she's going to village to look for.
You want to go see your cousin?
Yes.
I know.
Here we go.
So, we make America. Okay?
What is it? Stop.
What did you do to Nora?
Stop. What are you doing?
What have you done to Nora? Come here. What have you done to Nora? Come here.
Stop. It's me.
You want to kill them.
Oh, kill who?
You said to kill them.
Listen, you need to calm down.
You said to kill them.
Stop.
You said to kill them.
Ramsey, you okay? Huh? Are you fine? Ramsey. Snap out of me, okay? Please. Should I call you? Ramsey.
I didn't see anything wrong with him. His vitals are fine and his heartbeat's okay. When did he start behaving like this?
He was normal until he started acting up. It was as if something entered into him.
It has happened before. Then it stopped, and we thought it was all over. Then it started again.
Did he go through any kind of trauma before this began? Or he saw anything that is emotional or psychological?
He lost his wife and daughter in a car accident. It was fatal.
This could be post-traumatic stress disorder. And if proper care is not taken, he might be admitted. He needs rest. Let me advise you. Keep him away from anything that will remind him of that moment. If not, he might be admitted for psychiatric evaluation.
Hi. Okay, doctor, we've heard you.
To take my leave now.
Thank you.
Maguzena tao, ekuworo wuko. Maguzena tao, ekuworo wuko. Maguzena ta, mbota mari eyo mo wuko. Eki yage tu formiado. Maguzen biongo, eku yage tu formiado. Maguzen biongo. Ekia tu formiado idaro, maguzen biongo. Abiongo mando. Nyaye me tu formi. Tuan ke mene. Amen. Oh God of heaven, you said in your word, God of heaven, make a new that make you know say they humble. God, you don't see my oka. My oka don't they mad small. God, I beg make my oka no mad finish. You talk am for your word that whatever I declared on earth will be established in heaven. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Oh God, arise. Arise and heal my oka. Since madam died and small Nora died. And so my oka just they do anyhow. Sometimes it go there like say they cry. Sometimes it go there like say they laugh. Sign of madness. Oh God, make my oka no mad. If my oka mad, who go pay me my salary? God, if my oka mad, who go pay my salary? Oh God, arise and deliver my oka. Oh God, if not for anything, for the sake of my 5 children, where they use this salary they take care of for village. If my oka come mad finish, who go pay my salary? Oh, if I no come get money now, then go call me lazy. Oh God, Pati dakara ringwamo. Dakara ringwamo. Dakara ringwamo. Awang mege mwambo ringwam kiwore tu fuck me oh.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is.
Your therapy session is by 1 p.m.
I will miss it.
You should follow his instructions. It will help you.
Yes, I left some money for you on the table. It's all yours.
Oh. I'm going back home. I need to go to work. But I'll come back tomorrow. Oh, okay. Cassandra, take care of yourself, okay? Take care of yourself. I'll come back soon. I'll go and take the money.
What would you like to have for breakfast, Cassie?
Tea.
Tea?
Likewise. Let's go inside and have some tea.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. Oh. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable, that you go insane. You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is journey of life for you. You. Sometimes it's bad, and sometimes it's good.
Uncle Ramsey, guess what happened in school today? Sonia poured juice on the teacher's shoe and said it was a mistake. Then she started laughing. I so funny, right? Uncle Ramsey.
Daddy, help.
No!
Uncle Ramsey.
It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. I was right there. I tried to save Dora, but I couldn't. I tried to save my wife, but I couldn't. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. I was supposed to save you. I was supposed to save you now. If I tried, maybe you'd still be here. Maybe if I tried to save my wife, she would still be here. No, it's all my fault.
Uncle Dan! Uncle Dan! Uncle Dan! Uncle Dan! What will I do now? Uncle Dan!
Cassandra, what's happening again?
Please, I don't know what's wrong with you. Uncle Ramsey.
Okay, calm down. Make her find a rope, come. Oh yeah, let's go.
I should have helped them. I should have tried.
Okay, calm down.
It's all my fault.
Okay, calm down.
It's all my fault, Dora. I'm sorry. It's all my fault.
Cassandra,
I should have saved you.
I don't show
I
sacrifice.
should have saved you.
Look out. Just
Oh
think.
God, I should have saved you.
You know what thing happened the last time? I almost come out my teeth. Calm down. Oh, Spirit of
I should have saved you guys. I should have tried. Yes, and I know I had a broken leg. I know my bones were broken. But I should have tried. Maybe you'd still be here. Yes, maybe Nora will still be here. Maybe my darling wife will still be here. I should have tried. I should have tried. Yes,
Aww,
a special song for you.
that's beautiful.
Are you for real?
Huh?
Yeah.
That's it.
You are my daddy, you are my king, you are my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you.
I love you too.
You are my daddy, you are my king, you are my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you.
I love you too.
You are my father, you are my king, you are my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You made everything possible, you provided for me. I can't do without you, Daddy. I love you.
Daddy loves
Every
you.
moment is fun. Your presence is peace. You are just a blessing to me. I love you. You're my daddy. You're my king. You're my everything. Come rain, come shine. I love you.
I love you so much, my darling. I love you. I love you. I love
That's
you.
so beautiful. Daddy loves
I
you,
love you, okay?
Angel.
Thank you so much for that wonderful song. I truly appreciate it. Tell me, what do you want me to buy for you tomorrow?
Chocolate.
I knew it was going to be chocolates. My baby girl and chocolates.
You are chocolate. The song is actually beautiful. I love that song. Clap for her.
Let's clap for her.
Big chocolate.
She should enjoy it. Yes. It's on my phone.
You're my daddy.
It's on my
You're
phone.
my king. You're my everything. Come rain, come shine. I love you. You're my daddy. You're my king. You're my everything. Come rain, come shine. I love you. You're my father, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you.
Where did you learn to sing that? Oh. What are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Why are you trying to tie my legs up?
Oh, let me know about them. Okay, you there okay?
Are you dumb? Dan.
Okay.
What's the meaning of this?
Okay, sorry. You get waiting be happen, so I say make I tie your legs small. Can't if listen I dream see myself here. Okay, no fix make I untie you.
Don't try this again.
Okay, I'm ignorant.
Get this off my leg.
Oh, I didn't want to practical.
Don't try this again.
Okay, sorry.
Listen. Come. Where did you learn to sing that song? Can you sing that song for me?
You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Will not die. A lot of people still needs you. You are a good man. I will always love you, even in the next. I love you. Every moment is fun. Your presence is peace. You're a blessing to me, Daddy. I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you.
Is this not Mr. Ramsey? What happened to you?
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable. Now you go insane, you can't hold yourself anymore.
It's me, Franca. Are you in this estate?
Young girl, you think that with a fine house girl work for you? Even if you find work, now like this then they take apply.
No, your boss, Mr. Ramsey. I saw him now on my way to the market. He's behaving so strange. I think he's mad or something.
Hey, the affliction of my Oka don't rise again. But I could do now. I'll carry solution rope. No, Cassandra. Wait till they come, I beg. Wait till they come.
Be fast. Be fast, oh! Be fast!
Cassandra, the affliction don't rise again.
What is it? Why are you screaming?
Oka don't marry again.
What? Where is he?
Cassandra, I don't know. Now one girl can't tell me saying see Oka mad for road. Stand up now, make we go find Oka.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to
Oka, stand up, make me go out.
You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my father, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You made everything possible. You provided for me. Can't do without you. I love you.
Oh my God. What are we doing here? Huh? What are we doing? Come here. Where's my car?
I saw your car up there.
Up there?
Yes, the boat was everything is
And young about them. We here now.
up there. Oh.
Make we dey go now. Make we dey go.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for embarrassing you all that. I'm sorry for what you saw. I just don't know what's wrong with me. It feels like I'm not in control of myself anymore. I don't know.
Uncle Ramsey. You're not alone anymore. Someone is with you. Don't worry. You'll soon be fine.
I don't know how to thank you. Thank you.
Just continue to be on my side.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let me call Ramsey. Why is Ramsey not picking my calls? He has not picked my calls since morning. What's going on? Oh, this is not good at all. Let me call down. What's going on now? Why is nobody taking my calls at all? It's okay.
This phone has been ringing. He's in a deep sleep. I can't wake him up. Oh, it's Auntie Dera. Hello, Auntie Dera.
Oh, Cassie! Oh, Cassie, why are you taking your uncle's call? Is he having another episode?
Yes, he did earlier.
Again? Ah, is he okay now?
Yes. Auntie, don't worry. Have a way to control him now.
Controlled? How?
With that song. Anytime I sing it, he gets numb. That's how he slept.
Oh, he's sleeping. Oh, thank God. Oh, where is he? Where is he now?
He's sleeping.
Thank you, Cassie. Thank you. Please send him my greetings when he wakes up, okay? I'll try to come tomorrow. You know you have to go to school on Monday.
That's true. Okay, I will.
Cassie, please take care of him for me, okay?
Okay, Auntie. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Ramsey.
You'll be fine, Uncle Ramsey. God will heal you.
Casey! Casey!
Yes?
You want your breakfast?
No, I'll eat at the office.
Your therapy session is by 2 p.m. Don't forget to go there.
Oh, yes, I won't forget.
And you should come back home when you're done with work. Don't go hanging around, please.
Sure, I will.
What would you like for dinner?
Anything you make. You know I enjoy whatever you make for me.
Me too. Okay.
Yes, I left some money on the table so we can take it and go to the market. Alright?
Cassie, don't play so much, okay? Make sure you listen in class because I will ask you questions from today's lesson. Bye.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable, that you go insane. You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is journey of life for you. Sometimes it's bad, and sometimes it's good. But the memories keep coming, day by day. And it's so hard to let it go. Oh, they're beyond our powers.
I'll come pick you up after school, okay?
We close by 4 o'clock today.
I'll be here by 4 o'clock, okay? Take care.
Okay. Other sound.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay.
Thank you.
What's that?
How are you?
What's that?
Thank you. You're out already. Huh? Alright, so this is where I live.
Dad, I love you. Please, can we walk?
I love you too. Come here. Nora. Alright, I'll be here by 4 p.m. to pick you up. Okay?
Okay, Dad. Bye.
Bye, my love.
See you at 4 p.m.
Alright.
Okay, Dad.
Alright, thank you very much.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. Oh. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable that you go insane.
Dad! Dad! Dad, no! Dad! Who be that now? Why you not let me get like that? Guy, leave. Look at you, you dey mad. You dey mad. You don't enough person care for your entire generation. When I don't get this kind of case to the wrong mouth, and now because of your guy make me call you like this now. Because of my oka. I know the one come beg for my money. My oka no, there they go. Your guy don't mad for streets. For where? Before that small market, there, make they go call help. Now why I come call you? Now why I come call you? Okay, calm down. No talk too much. What you want to do? Make her go inside. Come back. Calm down. Madam! Madam!
What is wrong with you, Dan? Why would you be knocking like that? Huh?
Madam, I beg no vex. Now something been do me. Now make you see as I knock this door like that. Madam, now cow.
What happened to him again? Huh? Speak!
Madam, Oka don't mad.
What? Where?
Madam, now my friend Ron come here, come tell me. Since he has Oka mad very close to the market. Madam, I beg me we go because if Oka enter market, he don't finish. Oh.
Take me there.
Okay.
Take it away.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming.
When Jane and Nora come now, I'll make sure I build that very big mansion here. Yes, two-story building. It's going to suit them. You know, my Jane and Nora, they're the best things in my life. I don't know. I just have big plans, Nora, don't worry. No, don't worry. I have plans for you. You know you're my angel, eh? I have big plans for you. By the time the mansion is ready, I'm sure you're going to like it. Jay, my sweetheart. Build mansion. I'll build big mansion for you and Nora. Yeah? No problem. I can't wait to build this big mansion for you people, though. I'm telling you. Because I will extend it to that side. To get to that place, that down. Then I'll now push the window down to that side. So that we'll just can be playing football inside our mansion.
Ramsey, what are you doing here?
Yes, now that's the plan. The biggest plan ever.
Who are you in that body?
At the government house. Yeah, I don't know. I just want Nora.
Listen, it's me, Dera, your sister. Come, let us go home.
Who are you? You're not Nora now. Where's Nora? No, go and call Nora now. If you call Nora now, because I want to start this building. If I start this building without Nora, I know she will not be happy. She wants to see exactly what I'm doing. So I want to make sure they are here. Nora will be here and Jane will be here.
Come and help
me.
Who are you in that body? Come out!
Help him up!
Okay.
Where are you taking me?
Is
it Nora? Stop now. Why are you taking me to? Stop! Oh! Stop, Joe!
Ramsey, it's me, Dera. It's me, your sister.
Who are you?
Who are you in that body? Who are you in that body? Come out now, make Moga go out. Come out now.
Why are you making noise here now? This is a serene environment. Don't make noise here. Oh. People don't make noise in this kind of place. Oh. This place is GRA.
If he tries to run or do anything, just help me hold him here. I'm going to Cassandra's school. I'm going to call her. Okay, because I think she's the only one that can help Ramsey now.
Okay, no problem.
Please help me.
Okay. Middle. I'll be in the middle. You know what I'm going to do?
Why did you push me out? Please open the gate. Let me enter inside.
What's the problem?
Please, I need to enter inside the school. I need to pick up Cassandra.
First, you want to break the rule. And children never dismissed for school. You go wait.
I don't understand. Please, I'm in a hurry. I don't have this time, please. Please, I'm in a hurry.
But I will not do that kind of thing here.
Okay, let me go and meet her teacher.
Call the teacher on phone now.
I don't have the teacher's number.
If you know the person, you go get the teacher number. If you know the Cassandra, you have to have the teacher number.
I don't have her teacher's number, please.
And you go wait. After the...
Let me enter this place,
no,
please.
I don't want to fight you.
Please come out from this place. I don't have this time.
I don't want to fight you.
I don't have this time.
What is going on here, madam?
Thank you.
How can you be fighting the security man? Do you know it's against the school rules?
Thank you.
I tried explaining to him, but he did not listen to me. I just want to pick up Cassandra, Joshua. It's a matter of life and death.
Life and death? Who are you to her? Because it's her dad that usually picks her up.
Yes, I'm her aunt.
Okay, please, it's okay. Just calm down. Let me inform the school headmistress. And if she approves it and Cassandra identifies you and she's willing to follow you, then I will decide on what to do.
Okay, ma, thank you.
Alright, I'm coming.
This is past 20 now. It's 5 o'clock.
Spirit of madness. Spirit of madness. I beg you, fit leave my oka, go meet my uncle where the village. You fit leave my oka, go meet my uncle where the village.
I think I've seen this shoe before somewhere.
Hey!
I've seen this shoe somewhere.
You don't pass. No, never pass. Never enter market yet. Hope still there.
Well, I think you're making noise here because this place now is government residential area, GRA. People don't make noise here.
Who are you in that body?
You're making noise.
Get out!
What? So can you stop this thing? You're disturbing. Hello, sir. Sir, please, can you stop? Sir, please.
Mr. Ramsey.
Sir, please, can you just stop disturbing here? And Nora does not even like noise.
Cassandra, you know, say again, if you stand up here, if you know whole am.
Okay, let's just keep silence. If the madness could just walk on its own, come on. Let's just do like say we know they here.
Oh, this is going to 21 o'clock. 21, is it 21 o'clock? This is almost 30 o'clock. 32 hours ago. It's 32 hours ago. When are they going to come here now?
God. I beg you, feel leave my car, go meet my uncle.
Can you go down to that road? I think Nora is there. Nora.
Hey.
Oh, God. How are you? Your uncle is now he's at the waist bin. He might injure himself. I need you to come and calm him down.
Come, let's go.
Okay.
Wait. Where do you think you are going?
Cassandra.
Who is she to you?
Teacher, she's my auntie. My daddy is in trouble. I need to go and see him, please.
Are you sure you want to go with her?
She's my niece. Of course she's staying with me. We don't have time, please.
Alright, be safe.
Oh, see Cassandra the healer.
Jesus Christ. Uncle Ramsey, what are you doing here? Uncle Ramsey. What are you doing here?
Nora. Where's Nora?
You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything.
Come rain, come shine, I love you. You made everything possible. You provided for me. I can't do without you. I love you. You're my father, you're my king, you're my everything.
What are we doing here?
Come
Eh?
rain, come shine,
What's going on? What are you guys doing here? Eh?
It's okay, Ramsey. It's nothing.
I'm sorry. Okay? I'm truly sorry for dragging you out of school again because of my bad behavior. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Don't worry, Uncle Ramsey, it's not your fault. I'm here for you and Auntie Dera. Come, let's go home.
My king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you.
Okay, Mr. Ramsey. Okay, I just want to assure you that you are safe here. Just feel free, breathe out, and let's talk about this.
Seriously, I don't know what happened. I was driving and suddenly I saw Jane and Nora. And I could hear them calling me.
Jane and Nora, you mean your late wife and your daughter?
Yes. You see, every time I pass that route, Nora's school, everywhere we've been together before, I remember them. And when I do, I remember the accident, and next thing I'm off.
You mean the wild behavior?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay. Okay. You don't have to feel bad about anything. If it's very difficult for you, I will ask you to pause, but if you must know, you need to tell me everything you remember about this accident. It will help a lot in this process.
The echoes of my daughter's voice calling me for help. But I couldn't because I had a broken head and my legs were broken. My wife's body laying lifeless on the floor. The sound of the car crashing, breaking of glasses, they keep echoing in my head. me and Cassandra made it out alive. But why? It should have been me.
I want you to understand that accident is something that can happen to anybody at any time. Well, I am sure you're here to find peace and have reasons to live your life without regrets.
Peace. I don't even sleep at night. I hear Nora calling me. Daddy, please, don't leave me. Sometimes I even feel her hands on my shoulder.
And that's why we'll need to heal the memory and not erase it. I must tell you that you've held the pain for so long, to the point that it has become a canker to you.
How do I let go of people I have loved all my life, even more than life itself?
By keeping them in your heart and not in your mind. In your heart they'll be light, but in your memory they will keep being the ghost they are. I can see that Cassandra is so there and has this effect on you. Can you tell me about her?
She's Nora's niece. I promised to look after her. You know, sometimes she reminds me of Nora so much that I even forget they're not same persons. She has lived with us for years now, before the incident. Now I see her as my daughter.
Well, that is where the healing starts. You have to acknowledge the fact that there is a difference between your daughter and Cassandra. So is there a second chance to live without feeling the guilt of whatever that happened in the past?
Doctor, will he'll be fine?
Yes, definitely. He's going to be fine, but I must tell you that it's going to take a little time. In the meantime, I'm going to recommend prescribe some mild anxiety medications, and most importantly, I want you to keep an eye on him. Watch him closely and make sure Cassandra is always around him.
Thank you, doctor.
I'll try.
That's a good one. That's what I need to hear. I will try. Because healing begins with that, and we'll take it off from there.
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. Pain is something unbearable that you go insane.
Let's come in.
You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is journey of life for you. You. Sometimes it's bad.
Can you find now?
I guess so.
How was your appointment, doctor?
It was fine.
Don't worry, uncle. You'll be fine.
It's so painful.
I hope so.
Someone so get to you. You're emotionally down. The memories keep coming day by day. And I wish things never happened this way. Oh, cause my heart is broken. My heart is so heavy. And I'm going insane. I wish things never happened this way. Ups and downs, keep fighting yeah, stay strong. Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go.
I'm trying. You know, the doctor said I need to stay alive. But every time I close my eyes, I see them waving at me.
That's because you're doing well. They're happy with you.
You know, Casey is a strong girl. Just like her auntie. Maybe that's why God kept me alive to take care of her.
She needs you too.
I need her more. More than you think.
Right.
You have to wish them. I know that Auntie Jane and I are in heaven.
Yeah. And they are happy.
Yes, they are happy because you are happy.
Thank God.
Let's go inside. Cassie, you're becoming too heavy for me. You're becoming too heavy for me. Calm down here. What do you mean, no? I don't understand. Cassie, calm down.
Cassie, calm down, okay?
Why should she do this?
Just take me up to my room.
Calm down.
I should take you back to your room.
Calm down.
Cassie, can you calm down, please? Hey. Oh my God, you're going to strangle me, Cassie. Cassie, please. Yeah? Cassie, you're going to strangle me.
That means you have to take her up. Maybe do it like more 5 times.
Yeah.
What do you want? Do you want me to take you back to your room?
Yes.
I'm going to drop you up there.
You take me up.
Yeah, Cassie.
I'll get it.
Alright, Cassie. You have to calm down. Calm down.
Dera. Cassandra.
Calm down. Mr. Distraught.
Cassandra.
Nice to see you. It's been a while. Mr. Distraught, welcome, man. Please sit.
How are you?
Cassie is now a big girl, huh?
I can see.
Mr. Joshua, you're welcome.
How's my brother?
You're welcome.
This way.
Yeah.
This way. My brother, we heard what happened. I was in Cameroon when we heard the news. But you see, nobody can question God. The Bible tells us that in every condition, we should give God praise. So my brother, don't bother yourself. God knows the best.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's alright. Just take heart. God is in control.
Thank you.
Dad, how is my mommy and my brothers?
Your mother and your brother, they are fine. And they miss you a lot. They want to see you soon. They want to see you soon. They are still in their maternal home. Don't worry. You will see them very soon. My brother, please, can I see you when I want to talk to you?
It's alright. Let's step outside. Mr. Joshua.
For what?
I hope all is well.
You write that.
So, my brother, I've come to take care. And thank you for taking good care of our daughter.
No, Mr. Joshua. Why would you want to take? Don't take her now. Let her stay. Let her stay, please.
My brother, you see, Cassie is just a little girl. We allow her to stay with you at the first time because of your late wife and the auntie. So the mother needs her now.
Please, I beg you. Cassie is the only person that puts my mind, body and soul together. She's the only one I used to compensate myself. Why would you want to take her now? She's comfortable here. You can go ahead and ask her. She is.
I know she's comfortable, but the mother is complaining. She's complaining that she wants to see her. You know, mothers. Even me too. I'm missing her.
Mr. Joshua, she's also my child. She's also my child. I will do everything I'll do for my child for her. Let her stay. I promise you will not regret it. Please. Please.
My brother, I know Cassie is like your daughter. The mother, I wish you see her mother when I left the village. See, let me tell you, it is not good for a young man to raise a little child like that. Oh my God, children, they need mother and father to raise them now, before the child will, you understand? So you can come and see her. Anytime you want to see Cassie is your daughter. Come and see her. So my brother, don't see it as if that Cassie is sleeping. No, she just want to come and stay with the parents. I don't know what I name.
I'm back. So right like this.
Is it what you're writing?
Better. I'm teaching Auntie Dera this song, so she will learn it.
Dera's spelling. Cassandra's spelling has gotten better.
Uncle, I'm writing the song
What is it?
for Auntie Dera.
You don't look okay.
Mr. Joshua wants to take Cassandra home.
What? No, I don't want to go home.
No, it's okay. I'll go talk to him and ask him why.
You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my father, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come.
He's she's not happy about it. Yes, but I cannot leave her here. I cannot. I must come back with her today. Of course, we have tried. How can we leave her? No problem. All right. Let me go.
But I need a set. You should eat something.
No. Baby, I'm okay. Don't worry yourself. Huh?
Sir, please. Can you let Cassie stay here with us? She's like family to us now. Please.
Dera, I understand you perfectly well. See, Cassandra is our only daughter. We allow her to stay here. That was when your sister-in-law was alive. But things are no longer the same.
Uncle Ramsey, I don't want to go.
Yeah. Cassandra, your mother wants to see you. Go up and get your things. We are leaving now. I say, go up, pack your clothes. Let us go.
Dad, I don't want to go.
Mr. Joshua, please. Please.
Ransom, please. Don't make this so hard on you. Please. Go and get your things. Oh, no problem. We are leaving. Since you don't want to pack your things, don't worry. I will get new clothes for you.
You made everything possible. You provided for me. Thank you.
Let's go! You enjoy yourself.
Every moment is fun. Your presence is peace. You're a blessing to me, Daddy. I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. Father, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You made everything possible. You provided for me in this life and the next life. I love.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I couldn't save you guys. I'm sorry. Dera, my love. Do you want some rice? Huh? You want some rice? Huh? Jane, baby, I'll give you rice. Okay? I'll give you rice. Go ahead. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat, guys. Please. I cannot eat alone. Please. Why did you have to come? Why? Why? I can't take this anymore. I can't. I can't. No. Yes? I'm right here. I'm coming. I'm coming!
Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable, that you go insane. You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is journey of life for you. Sometimes it's bad, and sometimes it's good. But the memories keep coming, day by day. And it's so hard to let it go. Oh, they're being down.
I wish I could go around. I wish I could go to local like this, go around, maybe they go solve them problem.
I wish things never happened this way.
You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. Daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you.
Cassandra, you are still crying. Why are you still crying, Cassandra? Why? Since you came back, you are still crying. Look at yourself. You've not eaten anything since you came back. Stop it. Cassandra, stop it. You are going lean.
Daddy, please can I go back to Mr. Ramsey's house?
You cannot go back to that house again, Cassandra. See, you went to that house before because of your auntie and Nora. But now, they are no longer there. So, you cannot go there. You cannot stay in the house with a man alone. You cannot.
Father, please. I'm not causing any chaos there. Please, let me go back.
Cassandra, I said no. I said no. So let me tell you. Go inside. Eat your food. Rest. When you wake up, I'll take you to Amankwa and they'll make you new hair. In your father's house. In a little nagi.
Who they call me? Hi, madam. Hello, madam. Hi. Madam, I never see your car since morning. Oh. Madam, waiting at the try tell you, be say, since morning, Oka never come outside. Okay, madam.
Oga Ramsey. Oga. What's happened? Oga! 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 What's happened? Oga! Oga! What's happened? No, madam. Kako marang. Kako marang.
Hello, madam. Madam, something don't happen. Oh. I no see your car for inside. Okay, madam. I go inside. I no see your car. The next thing I can't see food don't full ground like this. Everything just they scatter for inside. I no car phone there inside the ring. I come check everywhere. I no see your car. Okay, madam. Yeah, go start to look for Oga now.
Oga! 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 Oga!
now. Yeah, my Oga waka go. Oh! Hey! This one will be say my Oga mad now. Now you can't miss. Who know where my Oga go? Who know where my Oga dey somewhere they jump ship now when we say don't mad. Hey! Wetin I go do? Where I go start from? Don't know more. How? Oga, I beg, wherever you there, I beg, no chop shit. Even if you want chop groundnut for grand, beg, no chop shit. Oga, I beg, no chop shit. Oh, I go call. It's okay. Make I call my girl for instead. Hello, Michael. Yes, na me, Dan. Michael, I beg you don't see my Oga forget. No, Oga no dey inside compound. I don't check everywhere. We no see my Oga. Why I call you be say now you be security forget. You go see when everybody they pass now. You no see my Oga. Hey. But I beg in case you see my Oga, make sure say my Oga no chop shit. Now fine man in be, he no supposed chop shit. Okay, I don't hear. Don't get me on my back. Don't get me on my back. I will start from Oga. Hey, Oga don't come back. Oga, you don't come back.
Where is he? You find him. Where is he?
What do you mean? I don't search everywhere. Oga know their house.
What are you telling me? What are you saying? That means you didn't lock the gate.
Madam, I swear to God, I locked the gate. How my Oga take command for gate, madam? I don't know.
So tell me, how did he leave his compound without you knowing? How?
Madam, I don't know. But make it not be say Oga don't they disappear with madness. Make it not be like say this madness don't they turn spirit.
Shut up.
Okay. I check everywhere.
Ramsey.
I check everywhere. I don't see him. Now only dog there. Oga no there.
Ramsey.
I even go check the dog house. I don't see Oga.
It's something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable. Now you go insane. You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is journey of life for you. Sometimes it's bad, and sometimes it's good. But the memories keep coming day by day. And it's so hard to let it go. Oh, they're beyond our powers. Ooh. Ups and downs, keep fighting
Have you seen this man anywhere around this place?
Yes. I saw this man down the road. He was behaving somehow, behaving like a madman. Yes.
This man, sure?
Yes. Check down.
Okay, down there.
Yes. Go down. Run fast.
And I wish things never happened this way. Oh, cause my heart is broken. My heart is so heavy. And I'm going insane. I wish things never happened this way. Ups and downs, yeah, stay strong. Journey of life is something you can't escape. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and you find it hard to let it go. Memories keep coming, whether good or bad. But the worst of it all is losing someone so dear to you. The pain is something unbearable. Now you go insane. You can't hold yourself anymore. But that is journey of life for you. Sometimes it's bad, and sometimes it's good. memories keep coming day by day. And it's so hard to let it go. Oh, they're beyond our powers. Yeah, stay strong. It's so...
Sir, please. Sir, my brother is dying. Please, I need Cassandra to come back. Please, sir. Sir, please. My brother is in critical condition.
Dera.
Sir.
I thought all this has been settled before. Why are you in my house again? Why are you here? I told you that my daughter cannot come back to that house again. She cannot.
My brother is not fine.
Hey.
And only Cassandra has the solution to his problem. That's why I'm here.
Chidera, my daughter Cassandra, she's not very fine. She's very, very sick. Since she came back from that house, she is sick. So how do you expect me to leave my sick daughter to go with you to your father, to your brother's house? I cannot.
Sir, please, I'm begging you. Let her just see my brother and sing the song. That's all I ask for. Only that, sir. Please. Please.
Let her see your brother and sing the song. Change the door, man. Change the door, man. Adazayon. See, let me warn you. Let this be the first and the last. You step your foot in this compound. I leave.
Sir, please. Sir, please.
Chidera, leave.
Sir, I cannot leave you without Cassandra.
I shall leave.
I cannot. My brother is in a critical condition. Sir, please.
I shall leave my house.
Sir,
I shall leave my house.
sir, please. Sir, please.
Leave my house.
Sir, okay, sir. Cassandra. Cassandra, you're not feeling fine. I'm so sorry about that, but your uncle is dying. I know I shouldn't be here, but I had to come. He needs to see you.
She's lean.
Dad, this can I go with her? Do you want Uncle Ramsey to die?
Cassandra, I don't want your uncle Ramsey to die. I am concerned about you. I don't want anything to happen to you. Look at you. Even though you are sick, I want to take care of you.
Yes, Dad. But please, let me help Uncle Ramsey. Auntie Dera is a nurse. She can help me and Uncle Ramsey.
Okay. That means you have to wait. Let me lock the house. I have to go to bed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you, Cassandra. Thank you, sir. Okay, get your back. Thank you, sir. Let's wait for him. We have to go together.
Welcome, Cassandra.
You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. My daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my father, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come Daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come
Cassie.
shine, I love you.
don't know what has been happening to me. I mean, one time I'm fine. The next minute, I'm hearing sound. I'm hearing my late daughter screaming my name. My late wife. I hear sounds from the accident scene. And then I'm off. Crazy.
You'll be fine. Like the therapist said, what you're suffering from is deep trauma and it can be healed. Just follow his instructions and your healing will be fast. Like he said, just stay away from Cassandra. She should always be close to you because she anchors your mind. Something like that.
I know.
I did not understand this thing earlier. I did not. But the picture is clear now. And my brother, let me start by apologizing to you for taking Cassandra away from you at the first time. My brother, I'm very, very sorry. I'm sorry. But I want to promise you that Cassandra will stay in this house until you recover fully.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh.
Thank you. My little angel. Thank you so much. Thank you. I worship this.
I should be the one that will tell you thank you. Cassandra. Thank you, sir. Aww.
You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my daddy, you're my king, you're my everything. Come rain, come shine, I love you. You're my father, you're my king, you're my